received a package in the mail today from Dulce Bella Angel LLC. Here it is. And we're going to open it today. So, I'm excited. I purchased some stitch markers from her for my daughter, who is a crocheter, and I am going to give those to her this weekend. And this is the hat my daughter crocheted for me. I'm actually going to put one of the stitch markers on this hat because I thought it was so cute, and I'm going to let it hang off of here. Yeah, my daughter is Mo Love. She's also here on TikTok, and I'm going to tag her and Dulce in this video. So, I got a card that says thank you. Here's my card. It says thank you. It says, hey, 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 here is your first order and you one-time big goodies box. Hope you enjoy. And it says, peace, love, and chicken grease. She always says that. Thank you. Ooh. Comes with some little candies, which I'm actually going to give to my grandbaby. Oh, it's so cute. Purple, my favorite color. Thank you. A bunch of freebie stickers. I'm going to give those to my grandbaby too because she loves stickers. She'll be happy to get those. Oh my gosh. I did not expect any of these things, honestly. These stitch markers. Keychain, which I actually need because I broke mine just recently. Another little cute little keychain. I think I'm going to give this to my grandbaby because she loves pink. She'll be happy to have that one. Oh, girl, you outdid yourself. It says, take it easy. Something I need to do today. Cute. Oh. Oh, another little book and a pen. Do-do-do-do. Cute. And here are, oh, a cute little bag. Oh, it's so cute. Thank you. And here are the actual stitch markers that I ordered. I ordered the panda bears for my daughter. And I ordered the purple elephant for me. These are the ones that I am going to actually The purple elephant I'm going to hang on this hat because I think it's cute. And then actually, I'm going to use this little heart one right here because I am also a creator and I make jewelry, but I also want to learn how to crochet myself. But I want to learn how to crochet earrings. And I'm going to use this little one, as my stitch marker when I learn how to crochet earrings. I want to say thank you, Dulce, and I didn't expect all of these wonderful, beautiful items in my package today. Thank you so much, and I'll be sure to tag you and my daughter. Peace out.